Really wasn't expecting her to say that. She's just talking so much. Oh, she just impressed me each and every day with her talking, how she talking. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna end this vlog because my husband won't stop coughing. Let him go and rest. Come, you can manage to say bye.
Bye.
Hi Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Come say morning to Faves, come.
Good morning.
Say good morning, Faves. Look, here. Oi. Stop, look at the TV, look at the camera. Say morning, Faves.
For business.
Our little boys. Look who else we have here.
Good morning.
Babe. You lucky sorry never say babe. Cause she love call babe. Mama is up. The entire crew is up. But you want to know what time of the day it is? Almost 12 p.m. Yeah. Hand over mouth. Good girl. Good girl. Tyler's in his room. It's almost 12 p.m. So I can't say I'm making breakfast for the farm. I'm making brunch. Brunchy brunch. And I'm making pancake. Everybody love a good pancake breakfast on the weekend. I always make pancake breakfast on Sundays. But since we are all home for the past week, every day is Sunday here for us. So we're enjoying taking the rest. I enjoy sleeping in. I couldn't tell the last time I slept in this late. I guess COVID came to slow us down. Sometimes some things happen to you, you know, and you're not supposed to get mad because it's for a reason. Probably Almighty said, Mel, your body needs some extra. It's not Paris, it's pancake. Your body needs some extra rest, I guess. So I was talking to you guys earlier when my my camera battery decided to, not the battery, the memory decided to act up, so I had to fix that. Anyway, I was saying that it's probably God way of slowing us down to tell us that we need some rest, both of us. Kind of strange way to do it, but anyway, you guys, I'm in the kitchen, like I said, making run for the fan bag. Yes, what we're making? What are we making? So that's what's up. How is everybody doing? How is everybody doing? How is everybody doing? Babe, come tell them how you're doing. How you doing this morning?
I am.
They can't see you. Tell them how you're doing today.
I am better every day.
They can't see you, babe. Half of your head gone.
Yeah.
Back up.
I'm too tall and you're too short. I'm feeling better every day. So I'm getting energy back to do things. So yeah, I'm better every day. Just my cough shots.
The more you speak, the more you cough.
Yeah, but that's why I have to speak slowly and little voice and yeah. But I'm okay. It's just the morning. I have a good night of sleep. So yeah, let's hopefully this day will be a good day.
So that's Babe, and as you guys can see, Sarah is doing good. Look at her, living her best cookie life. Look at her. Sarah is fine. Had an okay night too. Probably 1 or 2 cough, but nothing major. And it's a rainy day here today. Of course, even if we wanted to, we couldn't go anywhere. But yeah, we're gonna stay in and keep each other's company and do what we do. So I'm making brunch for the fam bam, and then see what we do from there. And Tyler is also okay. Tyler is being Tyler. Tyler is good. Anyway, you guys, Have a good day. Stay safe in these streets as much as you can, though you can't even be too safe. Subscribe to the fam bam if it's your first time to the channel, and catch and keep up, and we'll see you guys throughout the rest of today. Let me go ahead and drop some pancakes in here. Tyler had told me that he wanted, what he said he wanted, banana fritters or something like that. But I tell him that I'll make that tomorrow. My boy love a fritters, boy. My Tyler love him some fritters. I haven't made fritters in a while too. Come to think of it, it's been a while. I also cut up some bami from last night because I wanted to have, I felt for bami and egg last night. But after eating the Chinese, if you watch yesterday's vlog, I was full. So I said, okay, I'll leave my bami till today. So my bami will soak and I know them nice. So I'm gonna have bammies for breakfast with that egg that I've been feeling for. Daughter, what are you eating? What you eating? What is this? What's this? What is this?
Cookie.
Cookies. Yummy? In your tummy, tummy? Yummy in your tummy. Go at breakfast. Go at breakfast. I am back into the kitchen. You know why I'm back into the kitchen? Because I am making an early big pot. An early big pot of what you asked. Let's have a nice. I'm making a big pot of soup. Listen to Tyler's reaction. Tyler! Sarah!
I don't want to know chicken finger. I don't want to know.
I am no.
I don't
Stop. I am not giving you any chicken food. I'm using it to make soup with chicken, but you're not going to get the chicken food. You're just gonna get the soup with the chicken. Okay? If you guys haven't seen the vlog of Tyler,
Dinosaur fruit.
yes, dinosaur food. She remember what Tyler said. She says dinosaur food. If you guys haven't seen the video of Tyler being traumatized from chicken food, you guys should check out about 3 vlogs prior to this vlog, and you'll definitely see my son just freaking out about chicken food. Anyway, you guys, it's a very cloudy day outside. Can't even go out here because it's raining, cloudy. Just a sad day outside, but it's Saturday, so I definitely feel like I'm in Jamaica today with this pot of soup on a rainy Saturday day. What other way to do the Saturday? You bite your fingers. Didn't I tell you don't bite your fingers? So I'm making this pot of soup. I also feel like I need it for myself. My throat doesn't feel so 100. But okay. I guess having COVID, you feel things and you don't feel things. It comes when you feel like coming. It hurts. Give me, let mama kiss it. Okay, go. I have pumpkin in the fridge from during pumpkin season. I don't remember which of you told me to freeze my pumpkin, and I did that. So I have a big bag where I can get pumpkin from. So that was a very good idea to freeze my pumpkin. Already cut up. I just take it out, take out some, and I still have more remaining. So let's go get this chicken foot soup. And I'm ready to begin. Can you tell? My house definitely smells like Jamaica on a Saturday. Ah, so good. So good. I know almost every avenue in Jamaica smelling soup today. I don't feel left out today at all. At all, at all, at all. And since I can't put pepper in the food because the entire family eat it, my Scotch bonnet pepper to my rescue. Perfect. Anyways, guys, it's dinner time around here. Here, Mark about to cough. He's holding it to cough. He go. You guys, I was telling Babe just now that we live as roommates.
That's hurt feeling.
That's what COVID does to us. We are roommates.
That's a hurt feeling.
I left the room, give him so he can cough in peace.
It's a short term renting.
He's renting the room.
It's a short term.
You see? I can't go and sleep with him. He's coughing too much. Oh. Yeah. No more talking for you.
I don't talk, I just listen to you.
No more talking for you. You guys, I'm just coming at the end of that because I'm telling my roommate good night, so I'm telling you guys good night too. Romeo and shave though. Like you look at ginger going on.
Not tomorrow.
Ginger look nice. So babe, if you're coughing like this, you can't go to work Monday. They can't make you work from home.
Yeah, I have to go and get all of my stuff and then work home after.
You guys, as I hear Babe make that sound, I give you a joke. Today, Sarah heard him make that sound. I hear Sarah, Papa Pig. Papa Pig. Looking at Papa, Papa Pig. She said it in French. She said, Papa Cochon. Papa Cochon. Me and Babe nearly dead. We couldn't stop laughing. Out of nowhere now. Kids. Be your own kids. She look
in
at
French, we say that the truth always comes from the mouth of the kids.
in English we say the same too. It's true. Sarah look at Babe and say, Papa Cochon. And she couldn't stop repeating it. I couldn't stop laughing. I really wasn't expecting her to say that. She's just talking so much. Oh, she just impressed me each and every day with her talking, how she talking. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna end this vlog because my husband won't stop coughing. Let him go and rest. Come, you can manage to say bye.
Bye.
Anyway, you guys, you see, he can't say more than bye. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new. Catch up and keep up. It's good that we can still laugh though. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Can't say more than bye, my day. Half long.